Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I just quickly wanted to come on here because I just came back from grocery shopping at Aldi's. We go grocery shopping about every 2 weeks and we're a family of three, me, my fiance, and then my daughter who's a year and a half. Sometimes we go a little bit longer. We don't have to go grocery shopping every 2 weeks, but for the most part we do. I usually go grocery shopping at Walmart or Food Line, which is down the street from our house. But today we decided to mainly go to Aldi's, and then whatever we couldn't find there, we were gonna go to Walmart and stuff. We actually found everything that we needed for under $100, and that's including groceries and household items. And I believe it was like $89 or $90, something like that. So yeah. So don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like grocery hauls. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel down below. And I have a bunch of playlists that I'll link down below as well. I film cleaning videos. I'm doing a fitness series that I have more videos to come. I'm moving to my new house, so we're doing kind of like house updates and stuff like that. Other than that little quick intro, let's get on to the grocery haul. So the first thing that I got were these garlic and herb seasoned chicken breasts. Perfect whenever we don't have anything prepped, but we don't want to go out to eat. Just take them out of the freezer and cook them really quick. And then I got trash bags, which were surprisingly cheaper here at Aldi's compared to Walmart or Target. And then I always get a can of tomato sauce whenever I go there because it's the cheapest there. Then we've been loving mangoes, so I got a couple of those. And then what I found interesting was this Mexican style chicken fajita pizza. It was only $2.93, and so we just thought we would try it because it was a new item at Aldi's. We've also been on a burrito kick, so we got some tortillas. And these blood oranges are actually my daughter's favorite, so I grabbed a bag of those. And I picked up some paper plates because whenever I have company over, I hate doing dishes. So, and we needed some more. Then every time I go grocery shopping, I try to pick up a snack for myself. So I picked up this roasted red pepper hummus just to try it out because I think it was their name brand. And I already tried it and it was pretty good. And every time I go to Aldi's, I pick up this can of diced tomatoes and green chilies just because I use it to marinate my chicken, or I make this fajita style chili in my crock pot and I put that in there to season it as well. I picked up some applesauce so my daughter can snack on this. She's been loving this lately. And then I also picked up this chicken sausage. I think this was like Italian seasoning. This is for my fiance. I don't really like this stuff. And then I got myself a pack of lemons, and then I got this healthier version of cream cheese. It has less fat and I think a little bit more protein. We picked up some turkey pepperoni to make some homemade pizza, and then we picked up the cinnamon roll coffee creamer. And then these 2 bags of pretzels right here were only 52 cents each, so I picked them up and so I can have with my hummus. And then my favorite thing out of all the vegan items at Aldi's are these meatless meatballs. I use them to obviously cook pasta, and then I also use them to cook, like make a sandwich like they have on the packaging. And then I picked up these Greek yogurt protein bars just to have for a quick snack whenever we're on the go. And this is a new item that I saw at Aldi's from their vegan section. It's a quinoa mix with chickenless strips, and honestly it looks pretty good. We'll see how I like it because I'm not a big fan of like the fake chicken. I just haven't found anything that I actually enjoy eating. And then we got some pico to go along with our burritos. I got some Gain pods just because they were, again, slightly cheaper than they are at Walmart for some odd reason. I picked up a package or a box of veggie broth, and then refried beans for our burritos as well. I got myself this almond milk creamer. It's caramel flavored, and I'm excited that they have more almond milk items. I got this kombucha, and obviously I finished it and I drank it on the way home. I got a pineapple, a bag of spinach, and I also got this naan flatbread, and we use this to make the homemade pizzas. I found this black soybean spaghetti, which is supposed to have a lot more protein in it, and it's double the price at other places like Mom's and Whole Foods, so I definitely picked it up here. I got a couple of things of almond milk because my daughter just drinks through them like crazy. So that's pretty much it, guys. This is my grocery haul for about 2 weeks. I also have a lot of things already in stock, so that's why I didn't get a lot of other things that I normally would. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like watching grocery hauls. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel down below. I finally hit 300 subscribers, which I'm so excited about, and thank you guys for becoming part of my little YouTube family. I'll also link a bunch of playlists that I've created down below of my other videos, and I'll see you guys next time.